Residents living in the heartlands are set to get greater mental health support. Wellness charity Brahm Centre has opened its 6th branch in Simei, extending its outreach to some 50,000 people. It has more centres in the pipeline, with another opening in Jurong next year.
Just settle your focus into
Guests, including Deputy Prime Minister Heng Swee Keat, tried out activities offered at Brahm Centre's new Simei branch. The centre also holds art workshops and counselling programs. It caters to residents of all ages.
I read lots of reports on all these various things, and I must say that it is quite amazing, the connection between the mind and body and how our body reacts. So earlier on, when you showed the picture of the dog, it reminded me that why is the dog such a happy dog, and whereas humans are so hairless all the time. And one major insight about this is that humans have what some practitioners of meditation call a monkey mind. The mind is always chattering, it's always thinking of something. You're not really in the moment. You're always thinking about the past or the future.
We are seeing more young people getting very stressed, and this is a worrying trend. So it's important for not just the youth to learn how to relax themselves and to be more grounded, but the parents, because the parents has such an impact on the young people.
The organisation also offered an internship program for youths to organise community activities and befriend residents.